You can convincingly estimate and quote concrete jobs as a newcomer by using professional systems and clear, itemized scopes that demonstrate competence immediately. Start by creating a standardized estimate template that lists labor, materials, equipment, soil preparation, formwork, reinforcement, concrete mix, finishing, curing, cleanup, permits, and contingency, each on separate lines, so clients see exactly what they pay for. Measure twice and record dimensions in writing, then calculate volumes using length times width times depth, and convert to cubic yards by dividing by 27, rounding up to account for waste and minor changes. Price labor by breaking tasks into hours for excavation, forming, placing reinforcement, pouring, finishing, and curing, and use realistic crew productivity rates based on similar residential jobs. If you do not have historical data, ask suppliers and local contractors for typical hours. Include specifics about concrete strength, admixtures, slump, and curing methods so clients know the performance they will get and you can justify cost differences between options. For equipment and subcontracted work, list rental days and vendor rates rather than lump sums so the client sees transparency and you can adjust quickly when prices change. Present the quote with branded headers, itemized line descriptions, net totals, payment schedule, start window, change order language, and acceptance signature line to appear professional and reduce disputes. Finally, practice delivering the estimate verbally. Explain key trade-offs, ask simple clarifying questions about site access and underground utilities, and document those answers to demonstrate control and reduce surprises. Common mistakes include underestimating site preparation, which leads to unplanned excavation and higher costs. So always inspect or photograph the site. Allocate a specific allowance for unknowns, and state how additional work will be quoted. Another issue is vague scope descriptions that create client expectations misalignment. So use clear, specific sentences, state mix design, finish type, edge details, and curing time, and attach a short scope checklist, the client initials. A third problem is failing to include schedule and payment terms, which causes cash flow problems. So specify start window, typical duration, milestone payments, and retainage, if any, and call out how weather delays are handled. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by letting us list detailed project needs and read community discussions about real experiences. We also help contractors find work and connect with peers through our discussion community where we share estimating tips and sample templates.